Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn different types of shapes. So let's start. Square. Its shape of square. Circle. Its shape of circle. Triangle. Its shape of triangle. Rectangle. Its shape of rectangle. Right triangle. Its shape of right triangle. Parallelogram. Its shape of parallelogram. Rhombus. Its shape of rhombus. Hexagon. Its shape of hexagon. Pentagon. Its shape of pentagon. Heptagon. Its shape of heptagon. Octagon. Its shape of octagon. Oval. Its shape of oval. Cylinder. Its shape of cylinder. Cube. Its shape of cube. Star. Its shape of star. Heart. Its shape of heart. Arrow. Its shape of arrow. Plus. Its shape of plus. Diamond. Its shape of diamond. Ring. Its shape of ring. Trefoil. Its shape of trefoil. Ellipse. Its shape of ellipse. Semicircle. Its shape of semicircle. Cross. Its shape of cross. Trapezoid. Its shape of trapezoid. Cone. Its shape of cone. Drop. Its shape of drop. Pyramid. Its shape of pyramid. Rectangular prism. Its shape of rectangular prism. Octagon. Its shape of octagon. Decagon. Its shape of decagon. Prism. Its shape of prism. Crescent. Its shape of crescent. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.